Welcome to our guide on enhancing your LinkedIn profile. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for career growth and networking. LinkedIn stands out as a vital tool for making meaningful professional connections. Creating a compelling LinkedIn profile is essential for job seekers. Start by setting up a profile with a professional photo, headline, and summary. Include detailed information about your education, work history, and skills to attract potential employers. Strategically connect with colleagues and industry professionals to expand your network. Personalize connection requests to establish meaningful relationships. This approach increases your chances of being noticed by recruiters and hiring managers. Engage actively with content on LinkedIn by commenting, liking, and sharing posts. This interaction boosts your visibility and helps you get noticed online. Consider turning on LinkedIn Creator Mode to enhance your profile's reach. Joining LinkedIn groups related to your industry can keep you informed about trends and connect you with like-minded professionals. Participate in discussions to showcase your expertise and learn from others in your field. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile with relevant keywords can capture recruiters' attention. Use specific job titles, descriptions, and skills to enhance visibility in search results, similar to optimizing a CV for applicant tracking systems. Requesting recommendations from colleagues or supervisors adds credibility to your LinkedIn profile. These endorsements act like references on a CV, showcasing your experience and qualifications to potential employers. Showcase your projects and achievements on LinkedIn to provide a comprehensive view of your capabilities. Highlight specific accomplishments and milestones to demonstrate your skills and contributions in various roles. Regularly update your profile to reflect your latest accomplishments and maintain its visual appeal. Make sure to include a hyperlink to your LinkedIn profile in the contact section of your CV. This allows recruiters to quickly verify your work history and location. Also, don't forget to double-check that the details on your CV match those on your LinkedIn profile. For a polished and professional CV, consider using CVMaker's templates and builder. Our tools offer customizable designs that make it easy to incorporate LinkedIn links, ensuring your CV stands out and effectively communicates your professional story. Thank you for watching our guide on LinkedIn profile optimization. By following these tips, you can enhance your online presence and increase your chances of career success. Stay engaged and keep your profile updated for the best results.